Hi everyone, Namaste. Hope you are all doing fine. So, today we are going to see a wonderful app. This basically is, to remind us to take medicines, which I also usually forget. So, wouldn't it be easy that we get reminded every time if there is a medicine we need to take? So, let's explore this today. Let's go to Play Store, click on this triangle in your Play Store, and the app which I'm going to see today is Medisafe, Medisafe. So Medisafe is a pill and med reminder. Okay, so go there, click on install. Let's open. Yeah, so when you first time open it, let's click on get started. It asks you your first medication to get a reminder, add your med. You can even skip that, but let me start by showing I'm taking, suppose, Stamlo. I'll type it, put on next. Then it will ask me what is it? Is it a pill, a solution, an injection, powder, drop, inhaler? I'm putting as pill. So what is the strength? So for my Stamlo, suppose is 5 mg. So I'll put 5 mg, and it asks what are you taking it for. So if I'm taking it for high BP, it gives by itself, or you can even type it. So do you need this med to take every day? Yes, I need it to take every day. If you don't need to take it every day, you can even go back. I'll show you. If you don't need to do take every day, you can even click no. So it will still ask like how many times you need to do it. Okay, so at this Tamlo I need to take it every day, twice daily. So I say I want to take in morning at around 9 a.m. Next, then I want to take it in night around 9 p.m. Next, so these are the two doses, morning and evening. I have set it, almost done. So do you want to set the treatment duration? That means if you are taking any medicine, how long do you want to take it? So the start date, so suppose it starts from today. Let me put it. And how long do I want to take it? So we can even put a set like end date, like something. Sometimes you need to take a medicine for just 2 weeks, and then stop it, or 10 days as prescribed by the doctor, or 5 days. So if it is something which I need to take it permanently, like I don't know till when, I'll put an ongoing treatment. Okay, so this also gives a very nice feature, that is to refill the reminders. So sometimes what happens, we take medicines and we forgot to refill due to our ongoing things. So it asks like how many pills do you have left. So right now if I'm having 30 pills, okay, I'm having my Stamlo of 30 pills, when should I get the reminder? So when how many pills should be left? So okay, so if I have 5 pills left, I should be getting a reminder automatically. So I'll put 5. Then it asks what time do you want to be reminded. So I assume 10 a.m. is fine. 9 a.m. I'll take my medicine, and 10 a.m. I should be getting reminded. So it asks for this RX number, that is the prescription number, which is also a thing which you can skip it. So I am going to skip it. So if there are any more instructions you need to add, which you can do this even for yourself or anybody in your family. Okay, so that's why if you want to put a instruction with your medicine, you can add it, that this medicine should be taken before eating, or after eating, or while you are eating, something on that front. So back, so it also gives a very good option. You can pictorially show your medicine, like rectangle, circle, however is your medicine. Okay, so Stamlo looks like this in orange. So this is the way my medicine Stamlo looks. I'll put update and I'll put save. So this is how I have saved my medicine. So it gives an option that yes, you have successfully added Stamlo. You need to add another med if you want, or I'm done. So I'll put one more medicine. Let me put Thyronorm. Thyronorm. Next, and this is pill again, and I think Tyronorm is 10 mg. Okay, and this is for thyroid, and skip it. If you don't know, skip it. Do you need to take medicine every day? No, only I need to take it every 28 days. Okay, that is once in a month. Said that started today, and let me take it in morning 8 a.m. I'll put 9, 9, 10. Okay, and refill reminders and all I don't need for this particular, and I'll save it. So this is also a short way to put it if you don't want. Okay, this is Tamil, this is Tylenol. So I will get the reminders whenever I have set the reminders, and it will make noise automatically. Now there are updates. If you see this below here, home, updates, medications, and more. So you have all these options set here which you can explore. I'll show you in short what you can do. So there are some very good things, like here in guest you can invite a med friend. Med friend means if I want someone to remind me in case I forget my medicines, I can add that number. For example, I can just click here and go to my contacts app, and if I disable something, let me enable it again. Okay, sorry for that. Let me open it again. Yeah, so it was if this app actually is asking you to may give a yes option to optimize the battery usage. That means whenever you do not have less battery or something, you still want this app to work, right? Because it is reminding you to take medicine. So we will put allow here. Okay, so take a yes, and here in medications you can see how many medicines you have put here to remind. Here in updates there is a welcome message. Then you also have lot of other information here in more, so you can put your measurements, that is your body measurements, lab results, if you want to put. Okay, you can go add, and you can add everything here if you want to add. Okay, otherwise we will see other options like notes. If you want to write some notes for yourself, a general note on any particular topic, you can add it here for your medical history. Or you can even add your appointments or get a reminder for your appointments. That also you can do. It's very simple. Just go here, add, and write that doctor's visit to be planned on this week. So you can add the data and the date and the time when do you want to do it. And refill I already showed how to log in your refills. Report is a good option where you can see a weekly report. Here if you click on these three lines over here, you can see the report format on a week basis, day basis, or a month or year as well. Okay, so this will help you understand how many times you have really taken the medicine or you have skipped it. So similarly you can check it here. Okay, and you can send this status report by email to someone if you want. Okay, so this is how this app will help you understand and remind you to take your medicines on time. So I hope this is a easy app, and you guys will love it and utilize it. So thank you, and keep subscribing to Meera Sarthi channel. Thank you.